Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Dodge Dart guys and you're trying to remove your oil cooler or replace your oil cooler gasket, this is known as a common leak guys. There you have one gasket between the oil cooler and the engine block. Stay with us guys, we'll show you how to do that today. You do not have to remove your engine out of the car to do that, but we have the engine out guys because we'll be making at least 100 videos on that engine alone guys. More than 100 videos. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can, and by getting the engine out of the car we can show you every little detail where things are, because otherwise it's impossible to stick the camera and show you with a great detail how to do things. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now let us show you what needs to be done. First, you will guys need to drain your engine coolant. We have the video on the channel how to drain your coolant. It explains everything, how you have to do it on a cold engine, how to decrease the pressure in the system, all that. Check out the videos on the channel guys, because without draining the coolant, okay, you have two coolant lines that go in the oil cooler. You will leak all your coolant from the cylinder head and you will make a huge mess guys, a huge mess. Plus coolant is poisonous, dangerous for you, so don't get it on your skin. Now you can do it guys in the vehicle with the exhaust on, and we'll show you how to do that. You have now 3 bolts that we need to remove for that thermal shield right here guys. Okay, one is out, coming out now. That thermal shield will actually come with the cooler. You cannot just replace the thermal shield itself without removing the cooler, or you will have to remove the exhaust, one of the two. Perfect. Now we have one more towards the back, okay, right there. Okay, this one is coming loose as well. If you guys want to see a specific video, leave a comment below guys, let us know, we'll try our best to make a video for your problem. Now we have third one that's on the front and super convenient to get to usually. Okay, this one here, great, we get that one out. Now guys, what we need to do, we need to guys get the hoses loose, okay, for the coolant. Okay, coolant line hoses right here. And you get big pliers. Okay, you're going to grab the clamp. You need to screw those thermal shields up as much as you can, and you need to pull the guys that clamp up. Okay, perfect. You have to do the same thing to this one here. And we'll need to guys remove the hoses as well. Now they may be stuck, so you may get the pliers and gently twist them around a little bit, okay, or you may get a screwdriver and try to push them out, depending how stuck they are. Just be careful not to punch a hole in your hose. Okay, this one is getting loose, so that's good. It will not come out guys, just get them loose because they'll come out when you remove the cooler. Okay, this one is loose as well. Next step, you need to remove your oil filter guys, and do that only on cold engine, because otherwise engine oil can burn you. Remove the oil filter. Okay, this one is a little bit stuck, so we'll need to, we're pretty oily too, we'll need to get something guys to hold it, because everything's so slippery now. You can see where the coolant leak is from the gasket as well, so that's a common one for that engine guys. Okay, remove the oil filter. You leak oil out usually. How much? It really depends on how tilted the engine is and all that stuff. Okay, perfect. Oil filter is full of oil. Dispose it. Now, right here inside the bolt, okay, you have a hex key, 12mm hex key guys, socket, okay, that we need to use right there, and we'll go ahead, get it loose. Okay, it was quite tight. I'm going to hold it now while one person is loosening that bolt. Deep 12mm hex key will be more convenient than this one. Perfect, coming out. Now we are ready guys to pull it out. We have 2 hoses here that we still need to remove, remember. Careful, you will leak coolant out, depending how good it drained, but you still have some in that oil cover right here. And let us show you guys where that famous gasket is. Okay, right here. This is your oil cooler gasket. Okay, you can see right there. So that's what it looks like. It's rubber and it gets hard. Okay, practically it is replaceable, guys, in some cases, but in my opinion it may not even be. We'll guys have the part numbers in the description of the video below, and if you need to purchase something, we'll have the links, so that's for your convenience. Okay, you can see coolant leaking out. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.